The library search interface makes it easy to request items not available in our library. This tutorial will show you how to use Interlibrary Loan to request books from other libraries. Before beginning any search, we recommend logging in with your Kobe username and password. In the library search bar, enter the title of the specific book in quotation marks, then choose Physical Materials from the menu on the right. If the library owns the book and it's available, you'll see a call number that tells the location on the shelves. When you come to a record listed as Check for Request Options, click on the record title to find out more about the book. You can see if a book is checked out to another patron. You have two options here. First, if you don't need the book immediately, you can choose the Place Request button to put a hold on the book. When the book is returned, we'll put it aside and send you an email. Your second option is to request it from another library using the Interlibrary Loan button. The request form will fill automatically. All you need to do is click Send Request. We'll get you the book for free and email you when it arrives. But what happens when you're looking for a book that the library doesn't own? Don't give up. Return to the search box and change the drop-down to choose Other Libraries. If you need the book immediately, you can see other SUNY libraries that own this book. Any SUNY library will allow you to check out books with your ID. Requesting through Interlibrary Loan should take a few days to a week for the book to come in. Choose the Interlibrary Loan button, send your request, and we'll do the rest. In the unlikely event that you are still unable to find a record for the book you need, you can place a request manually. Back on the library website, look for the Interlibrary Loan option in the menu on the left. If you've never used Interlibrary Loan before, you'll have to take a moment to create an account using the First Time Users button. Once you're in your account, choose the New Requests drop-down and select Book. Fill in the title and author. We'll do our best to find it for you. If you need help or have any questions, ask a librarian.